Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a huge haul. Basically, the reason why I chose to make this video is because Amazon is running their Great Indian Festival sale and the deals are like amazing. I would suggest that you pick up those products which don't go on offer usually from Amazon. कुछ products ऐसे होते हैं कि Amazon में हमेशा ही offer पे चलते हैं, sale पे चलते हैं. So you can skip that product for now. Some of the products are at very good offer right now. Without wasting any more time, let's quickly get into the video. I have like huge boxes. You guys can see मैंने बहुत सामान खरीदे और कुछ सामान इधर भी रखे हैं. मैंने box carton फेंक दिए. So I first restocked my Dot and Key cleansing balm. I kind of got two cleansing balms. This is the Dot and Key Strawberry Dew Melt in a Flash cleansing balm. You guys know I keep repurchasing this cleansing balm. This is a very nice cleansing balm for removing all your waterproof stubborn mascara, makeup, etc. It does not leave oil residue and it's very good for sensitive skin as well. So this is a restock, and I also wanted to try out this cleansing balm from Pilgrim. Have you guys tried out this? It randomly popped up while I was scrolling the Amazon, and I thought, oh, why not give it a shot? As such, like Pilgrim products are sometimes a hit and sometimes a miss to me. I do like many of their products. This is the French Red Wine Super Melt Cleansing Balm, and it says it's suitable for all skin type. I got it at a very good discount, all these products. So this is the product, and this is for 50 gram, and it costs around 445 the MRP, but I definitely picked up for a much cheaper rate. So this is how the product looks like. It's very similar to Plum cleansing balm. To be honest, even the color is very similar, and this is how the product looks like. A lot of cracks in there. So at first when I saw, I thought that it's gonna be very rigid cleansing balm, and the first impression was slightly, I was like taken aback. But when I first dig my finger in, then that's how I felt that this product is so balmy. So you guys can see here where I have not touched. I'll just show you the texture. It immediately melts. Do you see? It immediately melts. So it's not hard, it's not dry. Actually, I have used it twice, and I quite like it. It removes all my makeup. I tried it out with the full face of makeup and as well as my daily routine makeup. So it did remove everything. It did not sting my eyes, which is like a major thing for me. It shouldn't sting my eyes, and as well it shouldn't leave a oil residue. Both of the boxes sticks with this cleansing balm, but still it's very soon to given like a formulated opinion. So I'm gonna try it more and probably let you guys know in future videos. The next product that I got is a perfume, you guys. This is from Rene. This is the Rene Renoir Eau de Perfume, and this is a full size quantity. I think that they come in like 3 sizes, and earlier I had picked up this 10 ml ka variant, the chotu one. It was very inexpensive. I picked this up for about 150 or 140 rupees about 2 weeks back, and you guys can see I've already finished this much. Itna hi bacha isme. I loved this perfume. That's the reason I kind of was waiting for the sales to begin, and then I picked up the full variant. The packaging is very nice. It gives the packaging is very nice. It gives a very luxurious kind of a feel. So this is how the packaging looks like. First of all, the reason why I loved this perfume is because, do you guys know my all-time favorite body mist or the perfume is from Bath and Body Works, which is the Thousand Wishes. I don't remember the notes exactly, but that is like a floral perfume with hints of, patchouli, peonies, etc. And that is one of my favorite perfumes of all time. I am not a floral person, but that is an exception for me. And this, when I sniffed it first, this exactly smelled like that, but just a little more potent than my Bath and Body Works ka mist. So I tested it out on my clothes. I tested it on myself. On myself, it did not last long. It lasted for like good 2 hours or so, but on the clothes, it lasted me good like 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours, which is a great deal for the price that you pay. I'm planning to make a video for you guys, like an updated version of my perfume collection. So stay tuned. Exact notes, I'm gonna pop it on the screen just in case, but it has a mix of peonies, patchoulis, and little bit of tangerine, pear, and vanilla. So you guys can see it has like patchouli, peonies, as well as vanilla. So like I really love this. Honestly, this smells exactly like Bath and Body Works to me. I can layer these two for the longevity as well. I saw some mixed reviews on this perfume. They said it smells like cough syrup. I'm sorry, it doesn't smell like cough syrup. I have I have had cough syrup in the past. I have tasted a lot of cough syrup, smelled a lot of cough syrup, trust me. But it doesn't smell like that. I quite kind of love this, and it gets a thumbs up from me. Like, they have this 10 ml ka variant. Even if you're not sure about the nose, you can definitely invest 150 rupees in this and test it out. If you like it, you can go for a fuller size. So that way you're like safe. And then the amazing thing that I got was from Face Skincare. You guys know I love Face Skin sunscreen and moisturizer. I have raved about it in the past. So this is the combination that I've been using since like 3 months, and since the time I've come from Trek, this is the only combination that works for me, at least for now. This is the Face Skin SPF Juice. This has SPF 50, PA4+, broad spectrum, and it is suitable for all skin types. And this is the moisturizer, which is the Face Skin Daily Moisturizer to hydrate, calm and repair. It has hyaluronic acid, Cica and ceramides. Again, it is suitable for all skin types. The moisturizer name is Daily Dip. Yeah, Face Skin Daily Dip with the 100 ml of quantity. I really love the packaging. I don't know if any other brand does the sunscreen with the pump. It is so convenient to use. Even that tube packaging was very convenient. It did pump out the entire product. I did not have to cut the tube. This is a 100 ml quantity, and Face Skin in general, it never goes on offer much. Tira pe kuch offer mil jata hai because you get the additional coupon discount, but isme mujhe 100 ml ka quantity, I got it for 840 rupees. The MRP is 1200. Right now the sale is going on. If you guys want to check the Face Skin skincare, please go grab it from Amazon, because the MRP is 1200, you guys, and I got it for 840. Again, this product is for 599. इस पे ज़्यादा discount नहीं था. I think it was for 500 or something. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box. These combination has been working for me a lot. ये मैंने almost ख़त्म हो चुका है. That's the reason I ordered a backup. I cannot do my routine without these two combination as of now. Texture of the sunscreen is amazing. It doesn't leave a white cast, and it gives a beautiful glow. I actually don't want to waste my product. That's the reason मैं बहुत कम quantity dispense करना चाहती थी. Kind of melts into your skin. It is like a juice. It gets absorbed into the skin very nicely, and your skin looks radiant. So that's that from Face Skin. If you guys have been wanting to try out this brand, this is a very good opportunity for you guys. And they also gave out a small little freebie. This is from Dot & Key Barrier Repair Hydrating Face Wash. Love this face wash. I have the full size, I think the 250 or the 300 ml, I don't remember, the big tube that's already in my washroom. I have been using that face wash non-stop, and I'm really happy. The same version, they gave me a travel size. I think this is 15 ml. It has probiotics, 5 essential ceramides, and it is sulfate free. So I'm really happy this goes into my travel kit, and I can use the same face wash that I've been using in my daily routine during my travel as well because of this. By the way, guys, how do you like my lip combo? I think it's looking nice. You guys gonna ask what I'm wearing. So I kind of lined my lips with a Zudio lip liner that I got just recently. It's quite creamy, and I really like that lip liner. And I topped it off with this Blur gloss. This is in the shade Deep Brown. So I have been enjoying this lip gloss a lot. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. It's long lasting as well. It is not sticky or goopy. It gives the right amount of shine. एकदम extremely glossy नहीं है कि आप इसको daily use ना कर पाओ. I've been wearing this lip gloss along with another lip gloss and to my gym as well. I quite like it. So that's that. Got a plant decor from Amazon. I don't know how much it was priced before the sale, but right now it is for 500 something. It is slightly expensive, but I really liked it. I saw a plant like this in IKEA, and IKEA ke plants are very expensive, to be honest. You can get a very better discount on Amazon and Meesho as well. So this is a fake orange plant, and it looked so beautiful. They have 3 variants: pomegranate, lemon and orange, and I wanted an orange one. This looks so amazing. They're like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 oranges, and you can इसको निकाल के वापस कहीं पे भी डाल सकते हो. It's the quality of the leaf is also very good. The leaf looks very natural. I'm only not happy with the stem and the branches. They do look plasticky, but it's okay. This part is gonna go down. You guys let me know आप लोग को ये कैसा लग रहा है. but I think it's not expensive as well because मैंने जहाँ पे भी देखा था it was over 1000 और Amazon पे मुझे काफ़ी सस्ता मिल गया है, so I think I'm happy. I am in slightly different setup because my back was troubling me, my knees were troubling me. Since the time I have come back from my Himalayan trek, my back has gone for a toss. I already had a pre-existing back problem. That's the reason I kind of like I wanted to sit in the chair so that I'm like quite comfortable with back support. So excuse me for that. Also, I have invested in a ring light. Let me know how is the quality of the video and the lighting, etc. And your suggestions are welcome. To go along with this orange plant, I kind of picked up this vase from Meesho. I think this is the only product that I got from Meesho. I went to IKEA. I saw these vases for $8.99 or $9.99. I don't remember, but they were quite expensive. But वो ceramic का था. This thing I was scrolling in Meesho. I found this for 150 rupees, and I was like add to cart immediately. So this looks good. आपको देखने में क्वालिटी इतना पता नहीं चलेगा, बट द क्वालिटी इज नॉट दैट ग्रेट. लुक्स वाइज इट्स ओके. आई डोंट थिंक आपको कैमरा में कुछ पता चलने वाला है, सो आई जस्ट पुट दिस एंड शो यू टू गाइज. So this is how it looks. I think it looks very decent because the white kind of goes very well with these oranges, but this is not a ceramic vase, so that's what you kind of pay for the quality that you get. IKEA के जो vases थे, they were like good quality, heavy duty ceramic. It was heavy as well, but this is unfortunately a plastic vase. So you guys can ask me what is the problem. It looks good. दूर से देखने में तो आपको पता नहीं चलने वाला कि ये ceramic है, plastic है. But the problem is because it's plastic, it's very lightweight and it kind of falls. It does not see. हवे में ये गिरने वाला है. You guys can see अगर आपने इसको तीनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में रखा, it will not hold your weight of any plants. So that's the quality. So इसमें मैंने कुछ shells डाले हैं. I'm gonna fill this vase with something, either मिट्टी, probably more shells. Then it would be able to hold the weight of this. So I think it's a good deal. You can make it work. So that's that. Then guys, I already shared a few items that I got from Foxtail, and Foxtail was running this beautiful offer where it had a coupon code for buy 2 get 2 free. And I think brands, when they do buy 1 and buy 2 offers, that's when you're supposed to buy it from their website as well, because इससे ज़्यादा offer आपको कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगा, because you're absolutely getting one product for free when you pay the price for MRP. And Foxtail also has like additional coupon discounts and all. So that's when I picked up. Foxtail has come up with new body care range. I hope you guys know. There is one aqua and one floral note. So when I saw buy 2 get 2 free, I immediately grabbed it. Of which first product that I got is this Foxtail Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This has 15% L-ascorbic acid and vitamin E. This is a 30 ml quantity. This is the most expensive product among all the products that I'm going to show you from Foxtail. I think it was for $5.95 or so. I've been off vitamin C since like over 1.5 to 2 years, because once I have like damaged my barrier. Vitamin C was not a good choice because vitamin C on sensitive and acne prone skin, it's just gonna irritate the skin more and more. So I had completely stopped using vitamin C. Previously I used to be in love with the vitamin C from Plum and from Dermaco as well, but I've stopped it. But now, since even dermatologists have been recommending this for beginner, so I thought, why not again venture it. Touch wood, I don't have any active acne right now. It's been good 1.5 to 2 months. जब से मैं ट्रैक से वापस आई हूँ, तब से touch wood मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है स्किन में. So I thought, let's try this out. I have used it like couple of times. I cannot vouch for what it does. Definitely I'm gonna be sharing my skincare routine if this works for sure. I'll be updating you, but as of now it is okay. It has not given me any acne. So the first thing that I test out whenever I try out a new brand is my skin shouldn't react to it and it shouldn't give me acne. So the first box it ticks, but future में मैं आपको इसके बारे में और बताऊंगी. Then I picked out my favorite Foxtail Daily Dew It Hydrating Cleanser. This is a repurchase, and this is a very gentle cleanser. It's very good for double cleansing. So that's that. Again, I got this product for free. Then I picked out 2 body care range. The pink one that I wanted to get was out of stock, otherwise I would have gotten that as well. This one is the aqua one. I have been using both of them since the time I have gotten. It's been a week. So this is the Foxtail Aqua Plunge Hydrating Body Wash. This is the product, and this is the Foxtail Aqua Plunge Deep Moisture Body Lotion. So these are the two products, and I love the fragrance. The fragrance is straight up like perfume. The bathroom smells like a perfume, and once you layer these two combo, you smell good as well. This is an aqua variant. If you guys are not a fan of aqua in general, you can skip this and try the pink one. However, I don't know how the pink one smells because it is floral, and since the fragrance इतना ज़्यादा है, again I'm not sure जिनको floral अच्छा नहीं लगता है उन पे वो कैसा लगेगा. But these two one I quite like it. I'm not a huge fan of aqua. It does have the tingling sensation. I don't know whether they have menthol in it or what, but it does have both the body lotion and the shower gel both have tingling sensation, so you kind of feel very cool. I think this two combination is gonna be very good for your summers because you legit feel cooling sensation. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई ice cubes डाल रहा है मेरे ऊपर. I do like it, and buy one get one पे तो I know I never pick up any product which is 250 ml because I feel it's a waste of money, but I got it for buy one get one, so I'm like quite okay. But moving on, I got bunch of things from Chemist at Play, like itna bada packaging from Chemist at Play. Again, Chemist at Play were running buy one or buy two get two offer. I think they're still going on, like many brands are doing this buy one get one offer right now. Dr. Shade and Chemist at Play, Dot & Key, I think they all are running buy one get one offer. I think this is the perfect time if you want to restock anything, you can restock. So these are the products that I got from Chemist at Play. Box costed me around 1078, and for 1078 I have picked up so many products. Like I'm good to go when it comes to deo. So I picked up two deo roll-ons. I restocked both of them. One is the Chemist at Play Underarm Roll-On, which has a 5% AHA, and this is the peach fragrance. So they have come out with a bunch of new fragrances. Earlier they had Aqua, the clear one which has no fragrance, and the one with white musk. So I want to try out this peach one. The MRP is $3.99, but I got all for like buy one get one. The peach fragrance legit smells like a peach, and this smell lingers on. I have started using it doesn't trigger my migraine or anything, but probably I would not buy this variant again because I'm not a fan of peach per se, but I just wanted to try it out. I saw a few influencers raving about the peach fragrance. I got another variant. This is the इसको मैंने खोला ही नहीं है क्योंकि अभी मेरे पास बहुत डिओ रोल-ऑन्स है. I just wanted to restock all this. So this is the one which has like a woody musk fragrance. This is one of my favorite. Again, this has 5% AHA. It's gonna be good for your pigmented underarms and help in lightening and brightening effect, whatever. I don't know whether it's true or not. Fragrance अच्छा है तो मैं इसको use कर लेती हूँ. This is the variant woody musk. I've already used this. I love the fragrance. It's like woody musky. I think this is a unisex fragrant, and बहुत मस्त smell करता है यार. So this is a very good variant. I love it. Only thing that I would like to say when you're using an deo roll-on with actives is do not use it every day. I do not use these roll-ons every day with actives. Be it your body, be it your face, or be it your underarms, it can react for someone who has sensitive skin. Plus, don't use it when you have shaved, because shaving itself is an exfoliation. Imagine you're adding another exfoliating layer to it. It's just gonna disrupt the barrier. Anyways, they gave me this 5% AHA plus vitamin C, which is in the white jasmine fragrance, a full size product for free. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I love the fragrance. This is a jasmine one. Again, it lingers, but मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा. But again, it has a synthetic smell to it. It does not smell like a garden fresh. It smells a little synthetic. I'm not a fan of this fragrance, but I'll definitely use it. It's not something that bothers me. So two restocks is this one. This is the daily exfoliating body wash, and this is the AHA body lotion. Hey guys, again I got like buy two get two पे मुझे offer मिला. The body wash is slightly expensive. I'm glad that this is not a 250 ml. I picked up 475 ml because 250 ml honestly बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. Again, this is something that I won't use every day. I probably will use twice or thrice in a week. That's all. I don't use active body wash every day. So this is the daily exfoliating body wash, which has 4% lactic acid, salicylic acid, and vitamin E. It is good for those who have like back acne or body acne. I am someone who don't have any acne on my body, so I'm not sure how well it works for your acne. Yeah, it is good for your gentle exfoliation thing. If you have like strawberry skin or little bumps here and there, I think these might help you. I've already used this AHA body lotion. So this is the body wash. It's 475 ml. The MRP is $6.99, but yeah, you can get this product for free. And this is the AHA body lotion. This is 236 ml. It's not even 250. Again, I don't mind the small quantity. I wish it was in a bigger quantity, but I don't mind because I'm not going to use it every day. Seldomly use करने के लिए, I think the quantity is at. So this is for $3.99. This has the AHA, this has the natural AHA, niacinamide and shea butter. So that's the thing that I've got from Chemist actually. So I've got like 5 products for 1,000 rupees something, and I am 1,076 something, and I'm like super happy. And there's no makeup in it, mostly skincare and body care, but you get the gist. Makeup, you don't run out, you don't need to have restocks, but you need to have restocks in the skincare and body care, because that is something you're gonna keep running out of. So if you guys want to get a backup of your favorite skincare, body care or hair care, I think Great Indian Amazon Festival is the best time to shop. Again, I would say that pick up those products which don't go on sale ever. So I think with that we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'm gonna post this video very soon so that you guys can make use of the Amazon sale. And I hope you guys are okay with this lighting setup, because मैं तक यही setup में use करने वाली हूँ. Plus I think I love the ring light. Let me know in the comment section whether the ring light and the quality of the video is good or not. So with that, I would like to take off, and I'll see you in the next video. So tada, bye bye. Till then, you guys take care.